In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiplication and addition in a single Excel formula. We're going to take two simple calculations, one that multiplies two cells and one that adds two cells, and return both results together in one place. This is useful when you want to display multiple outcomes side by side without creating extra columns. To make this clear, think of your worksheet as having four inputs, two cells for the multiplication part and two cells for the addition part. Click the cell where you want the combined result to appear, then start typing your formula. You'll begin with the equal sign to tell Excel you're entering a formula. Next, reference the two cells you want to multiply, followed by the multiplication symbol. Immediately after that, you'll join the result to an empty text string, and then join the addition result. Written out with example references, it looks like this. A2 fa B2 n then NC2 plus D2. When you finish typing, press enter. Here's what's happening. A2B2 calculates the multiplication. The end part concatenates an empty string, which forces Excel to treat that multiplication result as text, so it can be joined with the next piece. Then C2 plus D2 calculates the addition, and the second ampersand joins that result to the first. Excel's order of operations takes care of the math first, multiplication and addition, before it does the concatenation. So you don't need extra parentheses for this pattern, though adding them is fine if you prefer to be explicit. After you press enter, you'll see both results combined with no separator. If you want a visible separator, you can swap the empty quotes for a space or a dash, like or, so the two results don't run together. Keep in mind that once you concatenate with an empty string, the final output is text. That's perfect for display, but if you plan to do further numeric calculations on the combined result, you'll need to keep the parts separate elsewhere. If you see an error or an unexpected outcome, double check that the reference cells contain numbers. Multiplying text or symbols will raise errors, and blank cells are treated as zeros. Also make sure you're using straight quotation marks around the empty string. Curly quotes won't work in formulas. That's all there is to it. Type Excel, cell N cell plus cell, then press enter to combine both